Have you ever looked up at a giant airplane flying thousands of feet above and wondered, how on earth do humans build something so massive that can actually fly? The process of making an airplane is one of the most fascinating, powerful, and high-precision engineering stories in the world. Let's take a journey inside the factory where airplanes are born. 1. The dream takes shape. Every airplane begins not with metal, but with a dream and a design. Engineers and designers work for years to imagine the perfect balance between speed, safety, and strength. They use supercomputers, simulations, and 3D modeling to design every curve, wing, and window. Every single bolt has a purpose. Even a small mistake could cost millions or risk lives. That's how serious it is. Once the design is finalized, it goes through wind tunnel testing. Powerful machines blow air over a small-scale model to see how the wind flows. This helps engineers make sure the plane can slice through the sky efficiently. 2. Building the giant piece by piece. Next comes the manufacturing phase, where imagination turns into metal. Airplanes aren't built in one place. Parts come from different countries and specialized factories around the world. For example, the wings might be made in Japan, the tail in Italy, and the cockpit in the United States. These parts are shipped to a massive assembly plant, like Boeing's Everett factory in Washington, one of the largest buildings on Earth. When the parts arrive, it's time for assembly. Gigantic robotic cranes and human experts work together. The fuselage, that's the main body, is built in sections. The wings are carefully attached using thousands of bolts and laser-guided tools. Every step is checked, double-checked, and then checked again. Precision here means perfection, because an airplane must handle enormous forces when flying at 35,000 feet. 3. The power of the engines. The most powerful part of an airplane is its engine, the heart that makes it fly. Each jet engine is built with incredible precision. The blades inside spin faster than the speed of sound, yet they have to stay perfectly balanced. It takes months of craftsmanship, testing, and calibration to build one engine. Engineers test them in fireproof chambers, simulating real flight conditions, high heat, extreme pressure, and freezing cold. Once the engines are ready, they are attached to the wings. It's one of the most breathtaking moments, seeing a machine come to life. 4. Inside the cabin. Comfort and safety. While the outer body looks strong and industrial, the inside is all about comfort. The interior design team installs seats, lighting, screens, and even air conditioning systems. Every button, every light, and every seatbelt is tested to meet strict safety standards. Airplanes are built to survive extreme conditions, from lightning strikes to turbulence and freezing altitudes. Before any passenger ever steps on board, the airplane has gone through hundreds of inspections and test flights. 5. The final test. Ready for the sky. When the plane is finally complete, it's not immediately handed over to airlines. It first faces the ultimate test, the test flight. Professional test pilots take the new aircraft into the sky for the first time, pushing it through every possible condition: steep climbs, sharp turns, sudden drops, and simulated emergencies. Only after it passes every test is it declared airworthy. Then it's delivered to the airline, painted with their logo, and introduced to the world, ready to carry hundreds of passengers safely across continents. Glowing star final thoughts. The next time you see an airplane soaring high above the clouds, remember, it's not just a machine. It's a miracle of engineering, built by thousands of brilliant minds and careful hands. From design rooms to roaring factories, from testing labs to the open sky. The making of an airplane proves just how far human imagination can truly fly.